16-year-old boy shot by licensed firearm holder after trying to rob a bar in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A licensed firearm holder fatally shot one of two gunmen who held up a bar at Nashville in Mandeville on Thursday night. Police report that at around 11:10 p.m., two gunmen entered the bar and one of them ordered a drink. One of the gunmen pulled a firearm and attempted to rob the bartender. A licensed firearm holder intervened and challenged the gunmen. Following a gunfight, one of the gunmen was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. The police were alerted and he was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries.
You have a gun for him, so you gun in your hand. The gun still in your hand, yeah? Much I hold up a man and get shot. Much I r0b bar. Don't know. Iman, what did him dead dog? I did him dead. Yo, man, I make that go off, you know? Man, I make that go off. Turn him over, look see who. You turn him over, look see who, no? You going there, so? Yeah, pussy. No, okay. Don't touch. Just let us come. Yeah, go. Don't mean come for. And I shopping don't hold me up. Don't mean come for. Turn him over, look see who, no? You dead, no? Dead like a... You don't have to ask wood with, sir. Dead, man. I mix up this with the kick off the wood there, friend. No, don't touch him, don't touch him. The hoodie can't come off, man. Fingerprint or something, don't touch him. The hoodie can't come off, man. Kick off the wood there, friend. Oh, man, no fingerprint. Don't touch him. Oh, wait. Who are doing for your shot? Why don't I got no shot for me in that? Aye. No shot in that. Intimidate. No shot in that.
The identity of the individual has not yet been ascertained. His accomplice escaped. The police believe that the individual is about 16 years old. Police said that a 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 9mm rounds of ammunition was seized at the scene. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.